In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the preview app on your iPhone on iOS 26. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you haven't got the preview app, all you want to do is go over to search, type in preview like so, and then you want to look for the preview app, which looks like this. It's by Apple, so go ahead and download it to your phone. Then just go ahead and open it up. Now you can make a new document or you can scan a document as well. So for example, I could just go ahead and open up one right here. Then I can have a few different things. So I can change, like, I can crop it if I want to make it a certain resolution and scale if I want to, or I could go ahead and press the pencil icon, annotate it, do anything like that to it. I could do the information so I can see exactly the type of image it is or the type of file it is. And then on the bottom right, I could also go ahead and click share and share it to anyone as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well.